In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of iMessage, sending low quality images on your iPhone, and how to ensure you can send high quality photos. Let's dive right in and get your images looking their absolute best when shared through iMessage. First things first, we need to disable the low quality image mode. This setting is designed to help save data by reducing the quality of images that are sent via iMessage. While it can be quite useful if you're trying to limit data usage, it will also prevent you from sending your images in their original high quality. To turn it off, you'll need to navigate over to the Messages settings. So, begin by heading into your Settings app, then scroll down to find Apps and tap on Messages. Once you're in Messages settings, scroll further down until you see the option for low quality image mode. If you find that this mode is enabled, simply toggle it off. This will ensure that your images maintain their original quality when you send them. Next, let's make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes the problem of low quality images can stem from a slow or unstable internet connection. This is because iMessage may compress images more when your connection is weak, attempting to send them faster. Therefore, it is key to ensure you're connected to a fast Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data connection. Double check your Wi-Fi network or cellular strength to make sure they're both optimal. Let's also take a look at your iPhone's camera settings. You want to ensure you're capturing high quality photos to begin with. For this, open your settings again, then tap on Camera. In your camera settings, make sure that your photo settings are optimized for high resolution. This means selecting the highest resolution and quality settings available for your device. This will allow your iPhone to take pictures that maintain their integrity and clearness when being shared. Lastly, let's make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software updates often come with improvements that can affect how media is handled in apps such as iMessage. To check for updates, go to Settings, then General, and finally tap on Software Update. If an update is available, it's a good idea to install it, since operating with the latest software can enhance the performance of your device and ensure the most up-to-date features are at play. Following these steps should significantly improve the quality of images you send through iMessage, giving you and your recipients a better visual experience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.